Hi, in a previous video I built a box with the main component for an off-grid system to use the solar power to charge the battery and also get AC power directly from the inverter. This is the second part of that video. In this episode we are going to be doing the ground of the system and also installing the batteries and the solar panels.
Okay, I don't know. This is a good idea.
I'm joining the wire of the ground from the charger to a piece of wire to make it longer.
Okay.
This is the ground bus bar. What I'm doing now is connecting the ground from the charger and the ground from the inverter and also the ground from the Arrestor, which is the green one that I got in my hand.
It's so loud, so I have to even scream.
I'm hammering down the copper rod that is the ground. It has 8 feet long. Then I need to attach the ground wire, that in this case is black, but I have to peel it off.
That's my. So, Daddy.
I'm installing the shunt and the meter on the battery. This is the negative side of the battery. This is the diagram that came with the component. I'm going to be using some connectors. I'm crimping the connectors here so we can make a better connection between the shunt and the meter. With this meter I can check how many amps we are using, what is the wattage and the voltage. As you can see, we get some measure here.
So that's the voltage. There is no power because this is not connected.
Let's try connecting a load. I brought the other battery similar to the one that we got already. I brought that from the storage and now I'm attempting to get it down from the ramps. It's very heavy.
Woo. Okay, I don't know. This is a good idea.
Now that we got the first battery in the box, I'm taking the old battery that was in the RV to the new position here inside the box, already with the shunt connected. Like I said, these batteries are very heavy.
Woo! Let's do this bank. 24 volts.
I'm connecting in series the battery, so this is the negative joining with the positive of the other battery. As you know, the voltage in the series connection is added, so 12 volt plus 12 volt is 24 volts.
Not too much protection, but it's something. Well, now we have to drill here and here to get the power going on the other side. Let me check the other side. How we are doing. Okay. So that is going to be there. And this one going to be this way.
I know you see that the cable have a red one, but it's really negative. And this is the positive side of the bank. The little cable is the one that get the shunt to work.
Woo. I don't like that red right there. It is what it is for now. It's alive. If you can see there, 24.53 volts. There's no current. It's okay. Everything is fine. Try just the inverter part. So I'm going to turn the inverter on. What? That's on? Oh, what's on? Change. So the reading here is 0.5 amp, 12 watt power. So I want to turn this on. Ooh, Midnite Solar 1864. Searching more units. Battery nominal voltage is 24 voltage. Let's see what else. No, it's not flooded. Let me see if I can change it. Okay.
Now we're setting up the configuration from the Midnite with the battery absorption 29.4.
Let's continue. 27.4.
And the flood configuration for this battery is 27.4 volts.
I don't know about that. Function solar, yes. Data has been saved. Good. Resting.
Now I'm hooking the solar panels to the box with a gland to avoid the water penetration and the damage of the component.
Well, ideally here you use a seal, something like that, but I don't want to go, I don't have time to go out and get something, so I'm improvising with this used glove that I used recently. So I'm going to use it to seal here for the moment, like this. All right. 189 watt. Yes, it's charging the battery. You see the current is 0 because it's charging.
The power supply by the solar panel is 196 watt. The input is reflected and also the battery voltage. Also the kilowatt hour is 0.0 because we are not using any energy yet. And the CPU temperature, the FET temperature and the battery temperature is also reflected. This is the diagram of the current system. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.